Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Realme GT NEO 2. The Realme GT NEO 2 is the third device in Realme's new GT series to be released in India. Despite its high-end appearance, it falls somewhere between the mid-range Realme GT Master Edition and the premium Realme GT. Because of its lower price, the Realme GT NEO 2 lacks the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 found in the GT, instead opting for the Snapdragon 870. There are no fancy maglev triggers, dedicated gaming buttons, or RGB lighting like on the Poco F3 GT, but the AMOLED display on this new phone has a high touch sampling rate, which gamers will appreciate. Can the Realme GT NEO 2 attract both gamers and non-gamers with a more subtle design? Here are my initial thoughts after only a short time with it. Realme claims that the 6.62-inch Full HD E4 AMOLED display consumes less power than Super AMOLED panels. The hole-punch display has a 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak touch sampling rate of 600 Hz, which gamers will appreciate. The refresh rate is adaptive, which means that it can switch between 30 Hz, 60 Hz, 90 Hz, and 120 Hz depending on the application. HDR10 Plus is also supported, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protects the display. The Realme GT NEO 2 comes with 3 rear cameras, a 64-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel macro shooter. A front-facing selfie camera with a resolution of 16 megapixels is in charge of taking selfies. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery, a first for the GT series. The GT NEO 2 is charged with the included 65W charger. Realme UI 2.0, which is based on Android 11, is used on the phone. The Realme GT NEO 2, like its siblings, appears to have good hardware for the price. This phone has the potential to be an all-arounder in its segment if it can shoot good photos and video while also providing solid battery life and gaming performance. This is what will determine its appeal not only to gamers, but also to those looking for a good all-rounder on a budget of slightly more than $30,000.